Can older people learn French? So it's a classic question. I have been receiving this question so many times. So yeah, I mean, it's a big question. It's something that people want to know. I mean, they want to know if it's easier to learn French or a language at a certain age. So of course, I mean, there are some studies, they've been showing that, I mean, the youngest, the easiest, I mean, this is the point. But after that, of course, the question is when it comes to adults. The fact is that there is little research that has been done, especially for this age group. So when it comes to cognitive sciences and the connection with learning a language. So it's a bit tricky to know exactly when the limit is. But the fact is that even when you are older, your brain is still elastic. And because the brain is still elastic, it will mean that learning a language among senior citizens is equally beneficial, not only for improving language-related functions, but also for improving other cognitive functions. So what does it mean? It means that basically, well, it's French, it's a language, but it could be anything else that would stimulate your brain. So learning French, learning a language when you are older will be possible, will be good and beneficially, not only for the language skills, but I mean generally for your brain. So this is a good thing. So we can, as I said, believe that the effect of learning a language when you are old will be only beneficial, which is really good. The only thing that, of course, you will have to remember, but this applies also to adults, even young adults, because each individual has a specific profile. The training will have to be tailor-made. So it means that you will have to clearly adapt your learning, I mean, to the way you usually learn things. So this is I've been covering this month in another video, so you can have a look at this video just to see exactly. But the way is that when you start to learn something, and especially at a certain age, I mean when you are older, like me or like other persons who can be even older than me, we have a little idea about the way we learn things. So this is the key. Once you know exactly how you learn, then after that it will be possible when you're young adults, or even if you are a senior or an older person. Voilà.